This is the proof I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would set my friends into danger? You insult my honor. I believe you have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later.
They have to do everything around here.
This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy, pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. That is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Also, very fast and very profitable expeditions. You buckle my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You work towards our fire. I will never send them any place dangerous that I damage the ship. And them too, yes, well. This is why I start my own company, to have ridiculous conversations with a fucking trash bin.
Okay, all 432 to base.
Yes, indeed, loud and clear.
We're in a bit of a situation at the first order. Authorized to pick up the shark. Sorry, bro.
So we're gonna go with a lovely shade of purple, my friends. What color are we now? There we go. Again, that ship. Good luck. You might get a lot of it.
I love purple.
Welcome, friends. Come on in. Don't forget your color.
Purple.
Alright, my flight
crew of purple. I need 2 pilots in the front, 2 gunners in the middle, 2 engineers in the back. Are you a crew of 4?
Yeah.
That's perfect. Your engineers are going to be droids. Don't worry, it's their first day. Okay. Have you flown with us before?